this is the top of Indian RV. We're just running some cable up there now. We've got the network rack put up there. On the right side, we'll probably mount, probably put that small little PC. It may fit right inside that rack too, depending on how much other stuff we'll have in here. That'll be for the signage machine. And outside this area here, they're supposed to pop out a 2-inch line so we can run stuff up to the roof for wireless point to point. Patrick's got the Ethernet wires ran. At this point in time, we just need to have the punch down, put in all of the Ethernet lines, put in there as well on the very, very top. And we'll put in the switch right underneath that. And we'll do that here momentarily. And we'll need an Ethernet or a power plug somewhere in here, and I don't care if we put a power, outlet somewhere there. It could be on this board if we need it to be. Really, it doesn't matter where that outlet is, as long as we have a 110 outlet. There's no ladder here, so we're kind of just standing up on ladders to get up where we need. Down here we have our Ethernet RAM all ready for the center access point. Show you here. Center access point is right up there in this building. The HDMI sticking out there until that power outlet is done. And then we have the other access point right up there. The wire ran for that. Ethernet is ran here, and Ethernet is ran there as well. And next Friday, we should be able to get the technical stuff put in, and once we have power, we'll get some of the wireless radio stuff up.